Hi, I'm Lewis.
I'm Aaron.
I'm Shane.
In this episode, I can't read it, there's a light. Is this supposed to be like a thanks for having joined us? Or is it like a, hey asshole, get off the couch and go check this shit out over here? Hey asshole. Hey asshole.
Make sure to tune in next time where we cover the redesign of the enclosure. Episode 2 of the DDKONG web series is out. Head over on... Do we need to get pom-poms and stuff like that? I mean...
Oh no, I think covered it. Sometimes you just feel
Someday soon we're gonna find Shane passed out in a Superman suit hung by a length of hot cage, stroking high on silicone. What about stroking? For Lewis, it's quite challenging.
Despite his
because because Lewis has 5 kielbasa attached to each of his palms. It's very difficult for him to operate these very small devices.
Dexterous despite my girth.
Yes.
So you just want me to allude that next episode involves a lot of Shane reverse birthing himself into the enclosure?
Lots and lots of cock. Cock.
And the only one anyone can see is the black cock. When they click on it and find out there's no black cock or man ass, they're gonna be like, what the f? That makes all your suggested videos all weird. You gotta be careful with that shit. I'm not playing.
When we go to shows and we're doing demos, people just want to see how much hair can fly. Anyways, we were doing something with a video, right? Outros?
3, 2, 1.
Until next time.
See, we gotta work this out, guys. So, there's a pause, man.
Are you guys ready?
Until next time. Until next time. I'm not playing. I'm not super sexy. Hey, asshole.
What about stroking? Right?
Where are we going with this?
Shenanigans. This guy.
Oh.